Hello and welcome to Technical Skillz YouTube channel. This is Shafaqat Ali with another video of Android development. So in the last videos we have learned how we can add different gesture on the Google Map and also how we can set different controls on the Google Map. So now in this video we will learn how we can add different types of the Google Map. We will select the options of the Google Map to select any types of the Google Map. So here we have 5 Google Map types. So we will use these different types of the Google Map. So first of all we will create the option menus. So for this we have to create the toolbar. So right click on the source, new, and select the Android source file, and here I will type menu and here I will select the menu and click on OK. So here we need to create 5 items of the Google Map types. So I will write the items of the Google Map types. So here I will create the items. So here I have created 5 types of the Google Map. So I will open the main activity and here we will add the menu. So at the bottom we will create override on create option menu. So I will select this menu. So now we need to inflate over menu to over main activity. So get menu inflator dot inflate r dot menu and here I will select again menu. So finally we will return. Okay, now our menu is added. Now we have to set click listener on the menu. So here we will override another method. So on option item selected. So here we have to check the conditions. So here we have to check the if condition. So if item dot get item id equal to r dot id dot map none, then what we have to do, we will use the Google Map instance. So Google Map instance dot set Google Map type, and here we will use Google Map dot set map type none. So here we will select this one and here we will copy and paste all the conditions. We have 5 items, so we will paste 5 times. So now we have next one is normal map. So here we will add here normal map and again normal map. Next one is satellite. And here we will add the satellite, and the next one is map hybrid, and here we will add the map hybrid. And the last one is over map train. So here I will select map train, this one. Okay, now we will run the application and let's see how it's working. Okay, our application successfully running. So here you can see here we have option menu on the app bar. So let's click here. Here we can see we have 5 options. So let's say I click on none, and here you can see our Google Map is none. So let's say I click on the normal Google Map. Here we have normal Google Map. So here you can see we have satellite. This is satellite. And let's say I click on the next one, hybrid map. So here we have hybrid, and the next one is train. So here we have train Google Map. So in this way you can change Google Map at runtime in any condition. So if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my channel. See you next video. Take care.